want to know a little bit about me, it's more personal. First off, my hair's not done up or anything. It's getting a little long. That's why I usually cut it. I don't know. I am the youngest of two. My sister and me are the only two. My mom died of cancer when I was 11. My dad never remarried or ever dated another woman, and he's now 79, going to be 80 this year. Um, I only have one daughter. Um, my past, you know, other than high school and grade school and junior high, I've always been like a lifeguard. I've always worked in the community. I don't know. I went to college. I've got my MBA. I have several other degrees also. I've gone to more than just a couple things. I've always stayed active. I've always stayed social. I was a lifeguard for many, many years. I was the head lifeguard. I taught a lot of swim lessons. Got lots of stories about how I told off teachers, and later on, out of all the people that ever needed certain things, I was the one that needed it, but I told the teachers off ahead of time, like Spanish. Yeah, I told off my Spanish teacher my senior year and found myself in Central and South America the same year. I don't drink soda. I go on crazy diets all the time because I have fun with it, and I always try to do different things. I'm never on a diet, but like last year I did like a vegan diet and lost way too much weight, just because somebody told me I couldn't do it, not because I wanted to. I don't drink soda because it makes my energy levels go way down, and it makes me feel sick a lot of times. And I was drinking way too much of it. I don't smoke, I never have. Cigarette smoke makes me nauseous, and I've never liked the smell. Period. Cigars and pipes, now that's a different story. I don't smoke them, but my uncle used to smoke a cigar, a pipe, and it always smelled really good. Anyway, if you want to know something, all you gotta do is ask.